Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I had no idea it was, I looked at it on the map, said it was right by the lake. And man, they weren't kidding. They were not kidding. The reason why I wanted to do this little exploring at the Kemper Center is because Halloween is right around the corner, so I wanted to give you a little thing about the Kemper Center being haunted, since Halloween is right around the corner. I don't know if this is connected with the Kemper Center, or I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Well, it's a beautiful area, as you can see. There's boats out there. A lot of these places out here are dated back in the 1800s. They're so old. Wanted to go inside the old cemetery, but they're closed. Wanted to show you there's a bunch of famous people buried there from back in the 1800s. Wanted to go check that out, but such a beautiful day. Yeah, beautiful day today. Well, we're gonna cut this video short for today, and I'm gonna head back home. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was kind of a long, didn't seem that long on the map, but it was kind of a long bike ride to get to the Kemper Center. But we're gonna cut this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.